On this wall here, there used to be a brick oven, and it's actually still behind the stucco. When my father had the whole house redone, he had it stuccoed and had them build like a false wall in front of it that could easily be torn down to expose the old brick oven, which is something we intend to do.
What you offer? So, how you done?
Adesso che se ne carano solo. Ma ti rende, non piatti fuori che sennò che gli può tagliare un po'.
Stava lì. Mata di cavolo. Abnica. Abnica poi di brush.
Se ne c'è fatto uno.
Gli ho fatto solo mura al naso, che ne fatto? Ti ho fatto solo mura al naso, che ne fatto?
E sotto sta luce, sta
Quello con un ligname.
vuoto danno.
Pure.
So here's the brick oven kind of exposed, opening exposed. So there's the original opening, some clay tiles in there. The little hole there was a little door so you could look in and check in on like how your bread is baking without opening the main door and letting all the heat out. So my plan is to, again, clean all this stone up. It's gonna need to be like repointed, right? The mortar replaced in those cracks, but you kind of see the arc stones, how they're on the thin side. They go up. So my goal is to chip away all the stucco and expose the face of those, just the stones on the arch. I gotta replace that stone. That guy's missing. So I'll find one. There's some of these old rocks laying around. The stones that made the sill here fell in because under here is the basically there's a doorway where it was like a little stall, but it's also like where you could keep the firewood and stuff like that. We just didn't expose that yet because then I would have to like make the door immediately for that. So the plan is to clean this all up, restore the sill piece. Odds are that the stones that made the sill, again, are behind the stucco here. And eventually clear all this open. Here's all the rubble that made the kind of the false wall. And then chip away at the stucco and see what if I can get like a nice border around the whole thing. And we'll go from there. But now it's exposed.
check this out.
Yeah, I'm trying not to take out anything, so it
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
fall.
perché se no ti stanno loose.
Ooh, that's nice.
Play the video.
I got videos too now. That's cool. I like that, like rough on the bottom side.
Me too, I like that.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what?
So this kind of proves out my idea that I'm able to expose these stones. So I'm actually gonna now take the time to go get the right tools, the right materials to finish clearing all these stones, repoint everything. I think I'm gonna do the same exact thing around that tie-off stone there, and then these arches. So these arches all have the same stonework around them, and you could actually see it around at the beginning of this lower arch right here. You can see the stone right there. Uh, so I'm just going to take time and clear all this in another video, and then, actually repoint everything and make it all look good and clean it all up.